Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 21st day of May 2026. And we just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here's a trade taken in the room today. So here we go. We got a news candle, news candles. We had some news here that dropped the market about 600 ticks. And as soon as it was done, it bounced off a level, and we take the first strong candle going back the other way. So here's our strong candle indicator, this little triangle pointing long, and it's going to be a bunch of risks. So we're going to wait for the retrace, and then we're going to grab this and use our large ATM to do that with. So we're going to go for 20s first, and then we're going to go for 50s and 100 tick runners, as we usually do most days. So here's how it all went down in the room today. We'll go ahead and put an order on. Get this started. Now, this does make quite a retrace. The market's pretty much hopping because of the news right now. So I need this to come down and push off the gap or something similar before I put my order on, because it's just the market's so hot right now. So I could put this on. And I really want this to push down first. So I want this candle here to be pushing off of levels that I can identify. So I need this to push down a bit. As soon as this hits the gap, I'll put my order on. Again, we got to leave this at just regular speed until, well, maybe I don't have to wait till regular speed. I'll just put it up. And I'll slow it down once it hits the gap. Here we go. Now I can put my order on. And we'll go from here. As soon as we get picked up in the trade and our targets are set, we'll go ahead and speed it up to see the outcome. But the setup is a strong candle heading to the top of the screen. So we wait for the retrace. We're going to push retrace off the PVI. I mean, it's just outrageously high right now because of the news. That's a beautiful push down. If we get picked up now, it's probably going to go very, very well. I believe that came down to the 50 of the previous run. Oh, no, it didn't. It's a 38 fib failure at this point. All right, come on now. Speed you up a little bit more. They've got about 3 minutes on this retrace, which is a bit long in the tooth. Usually if it goes past 3 minutes, you really don't want to. Okay, there we go. Everything got picked up. First target's out relatively quickly. I need to get a new order on in case this comes back and takes me out of break even. It's not going to break even. It's just going to run. Almost got our 100 tick target out immediately. Well, touched our 100 tick target, didn't quite get out. So we're going to have to wait. Speed it up a little more. All right, there we go. That trade took a little under 5 minutes and was worth 960 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 960 US dollars in less than 5 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. SamuraiDayTrading.com. All kinds of education indicators you won't find anywhere else that make trading a breeze, like our strong candle indicator right here. So we look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. Until next time, God bless you, and we'll see you then.